Hi friends, okay, before we get into this video, a couple things. First of all, look at this shirt. It is Dwight Schrute mustard yellow, which is the greatest thing on earth. And on top of it being the greatest color on earth, it also has a kitty on it and little paws on the back. I'm just excited about it, but I will have a link below. It's from yesstyle.com in case you were wondering. I've been getting a lot of stuff from there and I actually really like everything that I've gotten, especially the shoes. Oh my god, I can't even begin to talk to you about the shoes. Also, Twitch. We will be streaming tonight at 7:30 p.m. PST. If you haven't been to one of my Twitch streams, I'm telling you, it's a lot of fun. Here is an example of what you're missing. Samantha, this is where we get divorced.
I don't
Live
know.
on Twitch.
So I won.
That's why I'm not wearing my wedding ring. It's a super blast. Come hang out. It's super fun, I promise. And just so you know, there are special emotes on Twitch that you get when you subscribe. And just to show you, one is a narpal and one is a manaleesh. I mean, if that's not amazing to you, I don't know what is. Other thing is to join our Discord. This is something that's brand new to me, but if you are around in the day of AOL and AIM and you remember doing instant message chats and chat rooms, it's a lot like that. It's a lot of fun. I have a link below. Please join. Please feel free to be active and to contribute and to talk in the community. This is coming from someone who is a grade A lurker. I am the definition of someone who does not participate in anything and I just watch. But I'm telling you, it's a lot of fun and everybody is super welcoming and we would love to have you and your awesomeness join us in the Discord. Also, the last thing, the housekeeping, whatever you call this section, apparently I had a lot of things to talk about. Patreon is going to be launched at the end of this week. I'm super excited. There's a lot of super awesome stuff that is going to be so amazing and it'll be things that will be able to make all of us more of a community. And that's exactly what I want. I want everyone to feel like a community. I want to be able to feel like we're all on the same level, and things like Discord and Twitch and the Patreon will really help to give everyone this experience of feeling like they belong, feeling like we're all friends, we're all on the same level, we're all a tribe. That's what I want. I can't wait to talk about it with you guys. Moving on to what this video is really about. Maybe. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, I saw this Instagram video that was going viral. And in it was this little washing machine. And this person was using this little washing machine to clean her beauty blenders. And I'm watching this video and I'm literally like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Because you can see all like I just am like, there's no way it's going to clean it. There's no freaking way. And of course, you know, they show it comes out, it's all clean and whatever. And I kind of just went on my way. And then once again, this video popped up in my Explore page on Instagram. Someone else had reposted it. It had like hundreds of thousands of views and all of this stuff. Obviously, this was not made for cleaning beauty blenders and makeup brushes and what have you, but I gotta know, right? So I go on Amazon, I find this little washing machine thing. It's the same one that they used in the video. It was $6. Okay, this is important. It was $6. It shipped from China, and so it took a while to get here. It took like a week, 2 weeks. I find this video again on Instagram this week, and it's with this company that's like, oh, you can buy these from us now, 40% off, and the 40% off price is like $25. Because this video went super freaking viral, and all these people are looking up this toy, now I keep seeing these companies that are selling it for this insane markup when it's just this really, like, it's not anything expensive. I don't want to keep going on about something like I know what I'm talking about when I don't. So of course, you know, I bought it so that we could do like a little trial. So let's do it. Okay, so I got my setup. Make sure everything is in focus. Get all the other stuff out. And I'll show you what we have here. So this is the little washing machine thing, right? So it says, hello Ariel, and it has her with her little thing. It's got all these little silly buttons. It opens up. It's got like this drain. It has a little button that turns it on. All right, so let's do this. So right here, I have some water. I have my Sigmagic foam, because I figured foam would blend in better than just the liquid. And then I have my beauty blender. So here's the thing. With my beauty blender, I only use this to set my makeup or to blend out. If my makeup feels like tacky and gross, I'll get my beauty blender wet and then kind of like dab it in so it kind of pushes it into the skin a little bit better. My beauty blender is not very dirty, which won't really test this, right? I feel like it should be dirtier. But I also just want to see if it's going to do anything at all, because in my experience, when you're using a beauty blender, you got to like squeeze it out, right? The whole idea is like you manipulate it to end up getting it to be clean. So I don't know. So I'm going to pour some of this water in. Oh, this hasn't been used in a while. This is probably too full. Let's find out. Whee! Okay, it's cute. I mean, it's cute. It's probably really loud because my mic is very close to it. Let me move that away. But I mean, even the foam is not going down. So let's see what happens when we put this. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it once. This is breaking my own rules. This is a machine overload. I didn't grab a towel. This was a giant mistake. I have tissues. That's not gonna do much. All right. So do I leave that in there for an hour and then we walk away like my actual one? So, yep. See, the thing said it would clean brushes too, but if I do brushes, I'm gonna have to get a towel. I'm gonna go get a towel. We got a towel. This actually works great because I have 3 of these that need to be cleaned. 3! I'm not gonna clean them all right here. Here's my towel I should have got before. All right, do you think she's done? Do you think that blender is all clean? Oh, it's so foamy. I can't even grab it without making a mess. Ah! I mean, my one spot is still there. I have to get all the soap out because I use way too much soap. I don't know. That worked better than I expected, but it wasn't that dirty. Let's try with an actual dirty ass brush. Ready? Now, I'm not gonna make it touch the bottom because I feel like that's cheating, right? Well, maybe if it touches the bottom. Because then it's actually like manipulating it. Oh my god, that's actually cleaner than I thought it would be. This is so I still think it's gonna need like a rinse cycle, right? Like, it's not, that could be my fault because I put literally 8,000 pounds of freaking Sigma soap in it. All right, here's another brush. This one I'm not touching the bottom. Look at my dirty water. Ooh. Okay, if I don't touch the bottom, it's not cleaning it. If I touch the bottom and mess with the spinner, oh, do you hear that struggle? I literally just put the batteries in this thing and it is struggling. This is a foundation brush. I don't understand how this is any better than just doing this in the sink, because I still have to touch it. I still have to rinse it. These Smashbox brushes just stain really easy. I think that's what that comes down to. Let's try this one. This one has a lot of color. Ooh, no, this one. This one's a dirty. We'll do both. All right, both of these. They're both very dirty brushes. I'm just gonna dip them. So this is literally, it's just like anything else in the sense that, like, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna get my beauty blender a little bit more dirty, because that's really what I want to see. Is I want to see my beauty blender get cleaned. Because I mean, brushes, obviously you spin them around in water and it's gonna do something, right? Like, that's kind of a given. But I want to see this thing clean a sponge. Let's see here. Okay, the before. Okay, nice and soaked up. It needs a little bit more water. Go, Ariel, go. Go, Ariel, go. Spin that blender, spin that blender, blender, spin that, yeah, well, blender, beauty blender. I don't know what I'm talking about. According to the box, they have all sorts of other things maybe we should try. Like, can I iron my clothes with that? Can I make myself a dress with this one? Ooh, this looks like a food processor and a blender. Can I vacuum my floors? Wow, Ariel's got lots of things. How long do you think it takes for a beauty blender to get clean in the magic makeup washing machine? Dude, I would be so mad if I paid $25 for this thing. Oh, look, it's coming out of the hose. All right, let's see. So clean. This is so dumb. And I mean, okay, given, I knew it was gonna be dumb, right? Like, I mean, we're going into this pretty biased. Okay, let's empty it out. Ready? Take our hose. Because pouring it out wouldn't work, right? We couldn't just tip it over. Okay, I'm gonna say this is cute in like a silly way. I'm not mad I paid $6 for it because it's just goofy, and I could see Violet loving this. Like, I'm gonna go give this to Violet after this video is done, and I'm gonna tell you right now. She just saw the box, you guys. She literally just saw this, not knowing anything, and she was like, what is that? Is that for me? I said, no, this is for me. See, look, it emptied it all out, but now I'm still gonna have to clean this. Bah! But anyways, yeah, she was like, is this for me? Do I get to have this? And so I'm gonna go give it to her, and she's probably gonna just freak out and be super excited to have this little, she actually, one of her favorite things are like the little mash 'em things. They're all sticky and gross. And she has this Ryan's toy review one, and she just was washing it because it got dirty. So she was washing him in the sink. And I'm gonna tell you right now, she's gonna see this and think she can put Ryan in the washing machine, and her whole world is going to flip. Hey, I have a present for you. Do you know what it is?
No.
It's a washing machine.
What?
Press the button.
Nope.
You can wash Ryan in there.
Will the hit Ryan not break?
Nope, let's try it. Perfect.
Again now?
Yep.
You filming?
Yep.
Hi guys. Look at this washing machine I'm going to try out. Put Ryan in. We'll close it. Look at that.
You think it's clean?
No!
No?
I spinning.
Then look at this. Ready? Watch. Now that he's clean.
Where's that for? Oh, did the water out?
Yep, that's how you get the water out. Crazy, right? Do you like it?
Yeah, I want to watch some more of my toys.
Okay. Have fun. So moral of the story, if you have a child, sure, get this. It's neat. Do not pay $25 for it. Find it on Amazon or somewhere else where it's like $6 max. There was no shipping. There was nothing. It took a while to get here, yeah, but $25? Don't expect to actually clean your shit with this. Be a real man and go clean your brushes in the sink like we all have to do. We all hate it. There's nothing that's gonna make it easier. Every single stupid gadget gimmick that comes out for this stuff is always a massive disappointment. So just go do it the normal way. It sucks, but it's really nice when they're all clean, right? It's really nice. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in the Twitch stream later tonight, and I'll see you later.